Have you ever wondered how a brand new car is made? It's like a giant high-stakes science project. Thousands of parts, engines, wheels, seats, and all those dashboard buttons must fit together perfectly. Each piece has a job, and every detail matters for safety and performance. Car makers follow a strict plan to ensure every new model is ready for the road. This plan is all about quality, making sure the car works exactly as it should, every time. Imagine building the world's most complicated Lego set, double-checking every step. That's what building a car is like, but on a massive scale. Teams of master builders check their work at every stage. The goal, a car that's not just cool, but strong, safe, and reliable for years. From the first sketch to the shiny car in the showroom, every step is a chance to improve. The secret to this process? A powerful tool that manages the earliest moments of a new car's life. This tool ensures a smooth, safe start for every new model. It's a journey of teamwork, careful checks, and constant improvement. The result cars people love and trust. Every family's safety and every driver's confidence depend on getting these details right. That's why car makers are obsessed with quality from day one. Let's discover how they do it. The secret tool is called a Safe Launch Control Plan, or SLCP. Think of it as a super checklist for launching a new car model. When production starts, the SLCP adds extra checks and attention for the first few months. It's like having a team of detectives inspecting every part and process. This plan is temporary, usually lasting 1 to 3 months after launch. The goal: catch and fix problems early, before thousands of cars are built. SLCP is a safety net for the trickiest time in a new product's life. Even with great designs, surprises can happen when mass production begins. The SLCP is proactive, solving issues before they become big problems. It helps the factory learn and adapt quickly, ensuring a stable, reliable process. The plan doesn't change the car's design. It ensures the design is built perfectly, with 0 defects. This gives everyone, from engineers to customers, peace of mind. It's the ultimate promise that a new car is truly ready for the world. Imagine a car company launching a new SUV with a high-tech dashboard. The SLCP focuses on this dashboard because it's complex and new. A special checklist covers every feature: touchscreen response, digital gauges, button feel, and fit of plastic parts. Workers inspect every dashboard, testing screens, buttons, and alignment. For the first thousands of SUVs, every glove box door might be checked for perfect fit. If a problem, like a crooked door, shows up, it's fixed fast. The SLCP breaks down the dashboard into manageable checks, focusing on the riskiest parts. This hands-on approach ensures every detail meets high standards. The result? A dashboard that looks and works flawlessly from day one. That's how the SLCP turns complex ideas into real-world quality. The SLCP is a massive team effort. People from engineering, quality, production, and purchasing all work together. This cross-functional team reviews the plan, sharing expertise and spotting risks. The design engineer highlights tricky parts. The production supervisor explains assembly challenges. Quality experts ensure the right checks are in place. Purchasing might flag parts from suppliers with past issues, adding extra checks. Assembly workers suggest improvements for difficult steps. Regular meetings keep everyone aligned and problems solved quickly. Open communication and shared responsibility drive success. The team adapts the plan as needed, based on real-time results. This collaboration ensures nothing is missed and every car meets the highest standards. When people work together, they achieve amazing things. That's the power behind every successful car launch. The SLCP connects with other quality tools like PFMEA, Process Failure Mode, and Effects Analysis. PFMEA is a detective tool. The team brainstorms everything that could go wrong before the first car is built. Each risk is scored by severity, frequency, and detectability. The riskiest problems get the most attention. For example, if dashboard material is likely to get scratched, the SLCP adds actions. Workers wear soft gloves, dashboards get protective film, and every unit is inspected for scratches. The SLCP uses PFMEA to focus on what matters most, not just random checks. This targeted approach saves time and resources. The team works smarter, not harder, protecting against the most serious risks. Multiple layers of checks make it nearly impossible for defects to reach customers. This integration builds confidence in the process from the very start. It's a brilliant way to prevent problems before they happen. That's how quality is built in, not just inspected in. During the SLCP, checking is everything, especially for high-risk features. Often every single part is inspected, not just a sample. For the SUV dashboard, every unit is powered on and tested. This intense scrutiny provides data and confidence. Tools like statistical process control, SPC, track measurements over time, spotting trends before they become issues. Measurement systems analysis, MSA, ensures tools and people measure accurately and consistently. Reliable data means reliable quality. Detailed checklists guide operators showing exactly what to look for. Photos of good and bad parts help inspectors make the right call. This combination of total inspection, statistical monitoring, and trustworthy measurement keeps every critical feature under control. That's how the SLCP guarantees quality at launch. If a problem is found, the SLCP's reaction plan kicks in. For example, a scratched dashboard is quarantined, supervisors are alerted, and recent dashboards are checked. Quick action stops problems from spreading. The team investigates the root cause, maybe a sharp tool or a robot issue, and fixes it fast. Every issue and solution is tracked and shared with the team. Visual charts show progress and highlight where more focus is needed. Early customer feedback is also monitored closely. If new owners report a sticky button, the team investigates and improves the process. This shows the company is listening and committed to perfection. The SLCP's goal: zero defects, safe and reliable cars, and happy customers. By focusing on high-risk parts, teamwork, and meticulous checks, car makers build a strong foundation for years of success. That's why we trust the cars we drive every day. It's science, teamwork, and passion, leading to safe adventures on the road ahead.